Hi there, I'm Nemanja from Owl Labs. Today, I'm excited to share some changes that are coming to your Owl devices with software version 6.5. In this section, we're going to go over the latest improvements for the image settings feature. For more information about this or how to update your software, check out the caption in the video. Now, let's talk about what's new with image settings. The image settings feature allows you to manually adjust the light and color of the Owl's video output from the Meeting Owl app. Within the Owl's image settings, you can customize the exposure, contrast, saturation, sharpness, and temperature of its video. Previously, paired owls used to share any image settings. The secondary device would adopt whichever settings were applied to the primary device in the pair. With our new 6.5 software, however, you can adjust the image settings of individual devices, whether they're paired or not. This is especially good news for those with paired owls in rooms with uneven lighting, like if one side of the room has more shadow versus natural light, or if one side of the room has a large bright screen. We're also excited to announce with 6.5 software, image settings are now available for the Owl Bar. So whether you're using an Owl Bar, a Meeting Owl, or both, you can now set custom image settings tailored to each individual camera. Thanks for tuning in. As a reminder, you can find more helpful information in the caption of this video, including how to update your software, more information on these features, and how to reach us if you have any questions or issues. Chat with us on owllabs.com or send an email to hello@owllabs.com and we'll be happy to help.